Most people waste hours every week just trying to find files on their own computer. Think about it. You open File Explorer, click one folder, then another, then another. You scroll, you guess, you go back, you try again. And after all that, sometimes you still can't find what you're looking for. This feels normal, but it's one of the biggest hidden productivity killers on your computer. Because every small delay adds up. 1 minute here, 2 minutes there. By the end of the week, you've lost hours, without realizing it. And the worst part? Windows already has a much faster solution built in. But most people don't use it properly. The fastest way to open files, apps, and settings in Windows is Windows Search. No folders, no guessing, no endless clicking. Just type and open. Let me show you how to use Windows Search the right way. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Don't click anything. Don't open File Explorer. Just press the Windows key and start typing. Type the name of the file, app, or setting you need. Windows will instantly show results. When you see what you want, press Enter, and it opens immediately. That's it. You can use this to open your documents, your apps, Windows settings, control panel tools, and even recently opened files. For example, if you want to open Bluetooth settings, just press the Windows key and type Bluetooth. If you want to change screen brightness or resolution, type Display Settings. If you want to manage power and sleep options, type Power Options. No menus. No searching through Control Panel. No remembering where things are hidden. Just type what you want. Windows finds it for you. And here's something most people don't realize. You don't need to remember the exact file name. You can type just part of it. For example, if your file name is project_report_final_version_3, you don't need to type all that. Just type report or project, and Windows will still find it. This works because Windows Search looks at file names, folders, and even parts of the content. Which means, the better your file names are, the faster you can find everything. So here's a simple habit that saves a lot of time. Name your files clearly. Instead of names like Document 1, Final, New File, use names like Index_March, Client_Presentation, YouTube_Script_Productivity. Clear names make search almost instant. Now, what if your Windows search feels slow or doesn't show the files you expect? Then you should check your indexing settings. Indexing is what allows Windows to search quickly. To improve it, do this. Press the Windows key and type Search Settings. Open it. Then choose Enhanced Indexing instead of Classic. This tells Windows to index more of your files and folders, so search results become more accurate and faster. It may take some time at first, but after that, searching becomes much smoother. Once you get used to this habit, going back to manual folder browsing feels painfully slow. You'll start to realize how much time you were wasting before. And this isn't about working faster just to be busy. It's about removing small daily friction, so you have more time and mental energy for things that matter. Less clicking, less frustration, more focus. And this is just one small change. But small changes, done every day, create massive results over time. So starting today, stop hunting for files. Just press the Windows key, type what you need, and move on with your work. If you want more simple productivity tips like this, tips that make your digital life cleaner, faster, and less stressful, you'll find them right here on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.